Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have discussed about caste, varna, and different types of marriages performed in India in ancient time under the topic social institution. Again, we have the same topic social institutions but continuity and change. When the British came to India, they were shocked by the two things. One is untouchability, and second was the number of caste and subcaste practiced in India at that time. There were about more than 3,000 caste or subcaste were practiced in India at that time. So the British decided to make sure about the number and size of caste and subcaste in India, and they started census. They also wanted to change the revenue system in India. So for this purpose, they wanted to know about the values, beliefs, custom, traditions of different section of society of that time. For revenue system, they started Zamindari system, Raitbari system, and Mahalwadi system in India. On the basis of subcaste and caste, they used new terms scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. They also wanted to abolish untouchability in India. The whole society of that time was divided in upper caste and lower caste on the basis of status, lifestyle, occupation, race, and varnas are the main point of differences at that time. It was qualification also be considered the main point of differences. It was for the upper class, not for the lower classes. If the people of lower classes getting educations, they had to suffer lot of discriminations by the upper class peoples. One more important section of Indian society was tribal community. Still, 8.2% of total population of India is tribal people. They are also known as Janjati, Adivasi, Vanjati, and Harijan. Gondas, Santhalas, Batras, Kunwas, Kurwas, Banjaras, Raikas, Bakrwals, Shepherds, Gaddi Shepherds were the common tribal people still living in different parts of India. They are isolated communities. They are common in Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, etc. They also suffered during the colonial period due to the introduction of Forest Act. Number of taxes were imposed on the foresters or these villagers or on we can say the tribal peoples of that time, like wasteland tax, rearing animal tax, criminal tax. Number of taxes were imposed on these foresters. But now the lifestyle of these tribal people has been changed because of incorporation into the mainstream. Reservations and other benefits are also given in the constitutions to uplift the lifestyle of these tribal peoples. Thank you and have a nice day.